Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys aeroplane mode setting in our technophone. Friends, you want to turn off your aeroplane mode from your phone settings. So guys, how can you off it in your phone setting? In this video, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so friend first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to turn off your aeroplane mode, and guys you can see this aeroplane mode icon on your screen. So guys you can remove it this icon. So I open your phone setting, and as you can see this type of settings. So guys click on guys this more connection settings and tap here, and guys click on your aeroplane mode. So as you can see the right side this icon guys black on guys, tap here to off. Your aeroplane mode will off, and guys now you can use your mobile data hotspot setting in your technophone. So I hope friends have understood how to turn off aeroplane mode in our technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.